Multiplication is the calculation we use to express repeated additions of equal groups. In this video, we will be learning the method called short multiplication. What is 24 times 3? Let's represent 24 in a place value chart. We align the ones with the ones and the tens with the tens. Starting with the ones, we multiply 4 by 3. 4 times 3 equals 12. We have a number that is bigger than 9, which means we cannot write it here. Instead, we need to exchange 10 of these ones for one 10, and remember to add it in the next column. Now we multiply the tens with the ones. 2 tens times 3 is 6 tens, but remember, we have one more 10 from our exchange, so we have a total of 7 tens. And we are done. 24 times 3 is 72. Let's apply this same method to multiplying a 3-digit number by a single digit. So 123 times 4 equals... Start with the ones, just like before. So 4 times 3 equals 12. Once again, we cannot have more than 9 counters in one column, so we exchange 10 ones for one 10 and move it into the next place value column. We then multiply the tens. 2 tens times 4 is 8 tens. But remember, we had one extra 10 from the exchange, so we add it here now. Finally, we multiply the hundreds column. 100 times 4 is 400, so write a 4 and we are done.